Hi there, and welcome to this Boundless licensing tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the time spent dealing with license renewals thanks to Boundless licensing's centralized dashboard, API-driven aggregation, and single-click renewal options. To get started with the Boundless licensing dashboard, begin by entering the workspace credentials. You should have received this by email. Once you log into Boundless licensing, you'll be directed to your workspace. Here you will be able to see all the Meraki organizations you have access to in a single pane of glass. For each organization, you can see its name, number of devices, and licensing model. You can scroll through and provide different filters to find out information quickly and easily. You can also organize your inventory by the next expiration date. To explore more details about any given organization, click on the downward arrow. Here we can see each Meraki device connected to the selected organization. We can see the network, the model, the serial number, and the license expiration date. Now, let's say it's time to renew some licenses. If your organization is in co-term, you will only have the option to renew all your licenses at the same time. However, if the organization is in PDL, you have the ability to choose which devices you wish to renew. You can select all of them or just a couple, and click on the Renew button, which will take you to your cart. Here, you can get an immediate quotation for the renewal of the license that you just selected. You can change the license duration and editions. However, keep in mind that these two are automatically generated based on your current license data. Like that, you are confident that you get the right licenses for the hardware model that you have. Once you have finalized your cart with the correct order, you can fill in the organization information. By the way, entering the organization information and address is absolutely critical for Cisco Meraki to process any order. Please make sure you don't skip this step. Now, you can simply click on the Continue to Billing Information button, which will directly take you from the Boundless dashboard to Rhino Networks, our distribution partner. This option is only available for US-based organizations. The cart will be automatically generated for you here based on the information you entered in the previous steps. Simply click on Checkout and follow the payment instructions to order your licenses. Once this is done, your order will be immediately processed by Rhino Networks and you will receive a confirmation email soon after. As soon as the license order is confirmed, Cisco Meraki will email it to you directly. This is usually done within 48 to 72 hours after the order being placed. For quicker support and general questions, simply click into the chat button, and your questions will be answered by the first team member available. Thank you for using Boundless licensing, and talk to you soon.